Hey, welcome back guys, welcome back to Planter Garden TV. Today guys, we're gonna talk about growing two different Asian pear in drum. I'm actually growing them in drum. I know their growth is decent because I remember when I had them in a 3 gallon container. That's when I purchased them. They was in a 3 gallon container. Yeah, they was in a 3 gallon container, and this is the second year I have them. So far, both of them have one. This one is Olympic Giant Asian Pear, and this is the other one here, Honey Dripping Asian Pear. This one looking ripe and beautiful. Look at it. But this plant is actually growing in a drum. I cut down a drum in two, and I'm growing them in drum. And this year they has really grown on another level. Both of them produce a lot of flowers, but they only hold on one pear. I'm looking forward for the next season to see if there's gonna be any changes. But this beautiful size, beautiful and heavy size. But I want to make sure that I feed them up really well for the winter, and for the spring they can transform themselves into another level of growth. But looking forward to see about how much they're gonna produce next season. The thing about it is they start all in the spring, and then we don't see much bees within that time. So this one, we're gonna pick this one because we wanna see how it look inside. Looking beautiful. This one is the Honey Dripping Asian Pear. So both of them I'm growing in container, and I think they're doing pretty well. I do believe that they could naturally stay in this container for another 2 to 3 years. Now, if they was in the ground, you would get a massive tree. But because they're not in the ground, you cannot get that size of tree. But at the same time, once they're able to grow and able to produce, that you can get harvest, it's beautiful. But it shows me that this is the second year that it produced, and it shows me that it's doing well. But we just expect a little more. One thing we did on this tree, we put in this graft. This is a graft right here. This is a different type of pear we put in right there. So this is a whole different pear tree growing right here, and as we can see, it catch beautiful. And right now, this is what's going on, guys. They actually growing in drum. So if you have drum, I don't recommend no 10-gallon bucket for these things or 5-gallon. I recommend at least a drum, because the drum is wide and it at least have some depth inside of it, so it will able to house the plant a little more. This is a beautiful pear to grow. This is a very expensive pear too. What I've noticed the body get real thick this year. I'm noticing the bodies them get real thick. And as you notice, we have down inside there, we have some leaf of life growing down inside there as well. And the thing is too, guys, you can all grow stuff in the container. You can grow some herbs while you're growing your plants. So a good thing to grow is something that release nutrients in the soil, so the plant itself gonna get it. So yes, guys, this one is a Honey Dripping Asian Pear. So what we're going to do, guys, let's cut this and see. Oh, it really is a honey dripping pear. You see it dripping the juice, guys. Oh, and guess what, it has some seeds inside of it, so that's wonderful. So let's see, guys. I don't want to cut the seeds because I want to keep them seeds. Yeah. So let me taste this, guys. I got to taste this. Oh my goodness. God damn, this is a pear tree everyone should be going. My goodness. The honey dripping Asian pear. Wow. I give this 100 out of 100%. And they grow organic. My goodness. Wow. You know when you're eating a sugar cane and the sugar cane is so sweet and juicy? This is how it tastes. That's the seed right there. So I'm definitely gonna save these seeds, and I'm definitely gonna start growing them from seed, and I'm definitely gonna be getting some limbs from this and graft it into other pear tree. This is one of the best tasting pear I ever taste. I'm telling you. This one, Olympic giant Asian pear. This one look pretty ripe too. So let's check them out, guys. So that's one up there. Let me see this one too. Oh, look at the juice, guys. Oh, and it has some beautiful seeds up inside. I gotta separate the seeds them. Gotta separate the seeds because it's two different plants. Let's taste this one, guys. Wow, let me tell you. Organic all the way, guys. Organic all the way. Wow. Look at it, guys. Look at the beauty of this thing. So we have the Olympic giant Asian pear, and we have the honey dripping Asian pear. This one is sweeter. But this one is also sweet. My goodness. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.